us see trending analysis of various chapters. If you see, yeah, here we have an analysis that is displayed on the screen. And if you observe the previous 10 years papers, and here I have prepared an analysis on previous papers, and by seeing previous papers with all my experience, here we have prepared analysis. If you see the units and dimensions, motion in straight line, motion in plane, sir, please move that one. I cannot see 2021.
Yes, sir.
Just minimize. It appears only up to 2018.
Oh, you cannot see the screen, sir?
Yeah.
I'll share that.
But I can see up to 2019 only here.
No, you cannot see 2021, sir?
Yeah. Okay, here I am seeing only up to 2018. Last three columns
I'll just
not appearing.
I'll just see.
Yeah. Just wait, Amma. Just wait.
Sir, can you see now?
Yeah, it is up to 2019 now.
You cannot see 21, sir?
2021. Not there.
So maybe, sir, I think your window may be overlapping there. I'll just.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, sir, no problem. No problem.
Okay, sir. Anyway, we are going to, it will be there. We can see, sir, actually, we can see it on the screen. Okay, sir, I just, I'll so in units and 3 questions were given, actually. Yeah.
Yeah, I have idea already.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
I'll change the screen for them.
Yeah. Okay, coming back. See, so we have some analysis on different chapters here. Actually, units and dimensions is very little chapter when compared to other chapters, sir. So please share that one.
Okay, sir, I'll go back.
Yeah. So units and dimensions chapter is actually most of the students take it light, but in recent years they are giving 2 questions, minimum 2 questions from units and dimensions. But in recent years, and system of particles, it is very important chapter. So you get 2 or 3 questions from system of particles and gravitation. So like in second and the 2 in first year, thermodynamics part is also very important. And second year, if you go to second year, electricity. In electricity part, current electricity is most important. Current electricity part is most important. So you have to focus more on current electricity. So they are giving 2 or 3 bits. Some in few years we got 4 questions also from current electricity. Okay. So this is just for your analysis. But by seeing this analysis, we get some idea on which chapters we have to focus more. We have to study more. We have to concentrate more. So that is the purpose of this analysis. Okay. So here I have prepared an analysis on 2021 paper. So if you see the 2021 paper, so out of 50 questions, in 2021 paper there are 50 questions because we have choice system here. We have to answer 40 questions. 5 choice questions are there. So if you see the paper, analysis of the paper, 10 theory questions are given. 10 theory questions are given. Most of the students are neglecting theory part. Now, what I have observed is most of the students are neglecting theory part. So first you have to focus on basic concepts. If you are thorough at the concepts, you can answer the theory questions very easily. So in recent years, not only this 2021, We can see 2020 analysis next and 2019 analysis next. In all these years, minimum 10 theory questions are there. So please come back. Please come back. So minimum 10 theory questions they are giving in recent years. So this is 2021 analysis. Diagram based questions are 9 questions are there. Diagram based questions means some circuit diagrams based problems are there. Some connecting bodies problems are there. Some pulley problems are there. So anyway, it is 9 diagram based questions are given in 2021 paper. And coming to next category, graphs. So we got one graphical question. Graph questions are very easy actually. They are purely memory based. Graph questions are purely memory based. How does magnetic induction varies with distance? How does electric field varies with distance? How does gravitational field varies with distance? How does resistivity varies with temperature? Just like memory based questions will be there. And if you go through that questions in NCERT textbook thoroughly, you can take that question directly without spending any time. So graphical questions are very easy. Okay. And next, if you see the next category, calculus based part. Most of the questions and most of the students, what I have observed is most of the students have terrific fear about integration and differentiation parts. But if you see the analysis, calculus based question nil in 2021 paper. I think all of you know the 2021 paper is a tough paper, little bit tough paper. Kada? But if you see the analysis, no calculus based question is given in the 2021 analysis, 2021 paper. Not only 2021, if you see 2020 question paper also, no calculus based question is there. So don't worry about the calculus based, differentiation and integration. No need to worry. Okay, so recent years they are not giving questions on calculus based, but you should know the calculus part, but don't worry about it. Okay, and next matching questions, 2 questions are there. And they have given matching question based on drift velocity, etc. The last year paper. Statement question, 1 question is there, statement question. And pure numerical questions. And without any graphs, without any diagrams, pure numerical questions. Pure formula based questions. 22 questions are there. Okay, this is category analysis of 2021. Okay, next let us see level of questions of 2021 question paper. Here you can see easy questions are 23, moderate questions are 14, and difficult questions are 13. Now you can see that diagram here. If you see the diagram, majority part of the diagram is easy. 23 questions are easy. How much percentage it is? It is a huge percent. 48%. So it is easy. So you can answer easy questions. And every student, even an average student, can answer those questions. As paper is very tough, but 23 easy questions are there. And even the paper is very tough, 23 easy questions are there. But the problem is when you see the difficult question, most of the students stuck there. Okay, so you have to search the easy questions in each and every paper. So paper is actually very tough. 2021 paper is tough, but 23 easy questions are. The majority person is easy and moderate questions, 14 questions are there. So here an above average student can answer 37 questions. Actually, you have to answer 45 questions. But an above average student can answer 37 questions in that paper also. Okay, so don't worry about the toughness of paper. A paper never be tough 100%. Okay, so let us see 2020 analysis. Yeah, coming to 2020 analysis, see, once again, you can observe theory questions, 12 questions are there. Actually, 2020 question paper is little bit easy when compared to other questions in recent years. It is a little bit easy. 12 theory questions are there. So you should know the importance of theory part. Should know the importance of theory part. The majority of students are going with numericals. But you have to focus on theory part also. 12 theory questions are there. 12 into 4, 48 marks. 48 marks theory questions are there. And next diagram based questions, 4 questions are there. Graphs, 1 graph is there, that is also direct memory based graph. Calculus based 0. No questions are given on calculus part. So you are very happy. BiPC students are very happy about that because they have a lot of fear on differentiation and integration. So matching, no matching questions are given. Statement questions is 1. Pure numericals are 27. 27 pure numericals are there. So once again, I will tell you theory questions. 12 questions are there. Focus on theory questions. Focus on basic concepts. Okay, next let us see level of questions. Level of questions in 2020. Yeah, here we have a diagram. So here most of the diagram is filled with light yellow. Light yellow indicates easy part. Easy part. So majority part of the questions are easy. In 2020 analysis, majority questions are easy. 32 easy questions are there. 32 easy questions are there. 8 moderate questions. And an above average student can answer 40 questions. 40 questions. An average student can answer 32 questions. So here, if you see the diagram, so you will be very happy about the physics. Most of the part, majority part is light yellow, which indicates yellow. Yellow indicates easy questions here. Okay, so don't worry about the physics. Once again, I am telling you, don't worry about the physics. So you can answer, an average student can answer 32 questions. Okay, so let us go to next 2019 paper. Just I will give you 3 years papers only. Next, we go to the some tips, some preparation methods, etc. So let us see 2019 paper. So in 2019 paper, so you can see the analysis once again. What I have told, theory is more important. So this paper also tells the same point. See, theory 14 questions are there. 14 theory questions are there. So it is also huge part. It is also a huge part. So focus more on theory part. Because if you know the concepts, you can answer theory questions very easily. No need to spend much time on theory questions. No need to do calculation. No need to worry about the speed. If you read the question and simply put the answer. Simply tick the answer. Okay, so 14 theory questions. So let us read the theory concepts. Okay, and diagram based questions, 5 questions are there. Once again, graph question, only one question is there, that is also direct memory based question. I think it is based on resistivity. Resistivity varies with temperature question, I think. So calculus based question. Yes, there is one calculus based question. Only one question is there. Only one question, that is also simple formula. That is also given on simple formula. And everyone with a basic differentiation formula can solve that question. So don't worry about that question also. Matching nil in this paper. Statements, 2 questions, statement questions are there. Pure numerical questions. Directly formula based questions. 22 questions are there. Okay, so let us see the level of questions here. So if you see the level of questions, so here also 25 easy questions are there. 25 easy questions are there. Okay, so 25 into 4, 100 marks. Out of 180, you can answer 100 marks very easily. 100 marks is not a joke. It is very good mark in physics. Okay, if you get 100 marks in physics, definitely you can achieve the M.B.K seat. You can achieve the seat in NEET. Okay, so 25 easy questions are there. This is the real analysis that is analysis prepared by me. Okay, 25 easy questions are there and moderate questions, 11 questions are there. And if average student can answer 25 questions, an above average student can answer that moderate questions also. So 36 questions, 25 plus 11. So 36 questions can be answered by a medium range student, a mediocre student. Okay, so don't worry about the difficult questions. Once again, I am telling you, whenever you write the physics exam, either in college and or in the main NEET examination, don't worry about the difficult questions. Difficult questions are maximum 20%. Maximum 20%, which should not disturb your career, which should not obstruct your growth, which should not obstruct your success. 20%, that is very, very small percentage. So we had to focus on easy questions and moderate questions.